In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to OneDrive using your browser step by step so you can store your documents online, access them from any device, and keep everything backed up in one place. This is a simple process, but if you've never used OneDrive before, I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally prefer. Once the browser is open, go to OneDrive by typing onedrive.live.com into the address bar and pressing enter. That will take you to Microsoft OneDrive Online, where you can manage your cloud storage directly from your browser. When the OneDrive page loads, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you're not signed in yet, OneDrive will prompt you to log in before you can access your files. Make sure you use the same Microsoft account where you want the files uploaded, because that's where your storage will be saved. After signing in, you'll arrive at the OneDrive dashboard. From here, look for My Files on the left side, or open the folder where you want to place your upload. This part is important because the file will upload into whichever folder is currently open. If you want to keep things organized, you can create a new folder first and then upload your file into that folder. Next, look at the top of the page and click the upload button. A small menu will appear with different options. If you're uploading a single file, choose Files. If you want to upload an entire folder from your computer, choose Folder instead. For most people, the Files option is the one you'll use most often. Once you click Files, a file browser window will open on your computer. Now browse to the location of the file you want to upload. This could be on your desktop, in your Downloads folder, or anywhere else on your device. Click the file once to select it, then press Open. If you want to upload multiple files at the same time, you can usually hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and select more than one file before clicking Open. After that, OneDrive will begin uploading your file. You'll usually see a progress bar or upload indicator in the corner or near the top of the page. Just wait for the upload to complete. If the file is large, it may take a little longer depending on your internet connection, so don't close the browser tab while it's uploading. When the upload finishes, the file will appear inside your OneDrive storage. You'll now be able to access it from any device that's signed in to the same Microsoft account. That means you can open it later from another computer, your phone, or even share it with other people if you need to. If you don't see the file right away, refresh the page or make sure you uploaded it into the correct folder. Sometimes the file is there, but it's just not in the location you expected. You can also use the search bar in OneDrive if you need to quickly find it. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files to OneDrive through your browser. It's fast, easy, and a great way to keep your files safe and available anywhere. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.